and the merriest of Christmases. All right, check this out. So simple. You just need a few things. A hot glue gun, lifesaver packets, double mint gum, nice wrapping cable like I have here, or any ribbon. Pre-cut the lifesaver packets in half using a razor blade or extremely sharp knife. Don't let kids do it. After that, it's basically glue gun, stick, and go. Very, very simple. The design's easy. Yeah, man, you'll have a lot of fun doing this with the fam, the kids, the neighbors' kids. Something they'll never forget and something you'll definitely never forget. See it coming together now? See that little choo-choo train? The Hershey Kiss has the smokestack. Man, I just love this one. That is so cool. Kids love it. I love it. And so will you. So have a wonderful Christmas. Use it as a place setting, Christmas tree ornament. There it is.